In this video I'd like to do the unboxing of the SNS-24P. This is a 24 port Ethernet switch. So inside of the box we have our switch itself. There's the user manual and there's the accessories box. And in the accessories it's the wings to mount it into a 19-inch rack. We've got our kettle cord there. And then a user manual. Let's put that stuff all aside. I'm just going to show you the switch itself. 220 goes into there, and on the front port we have the indicator lights over here, and we have ports 1 through 224. Now there's a few things I just want you to know about this. First of all, this is a gigabit switch, so it will operate with any gigabit device, but it's also backwards compatible to 10100 fast Ethernet switch equipment. The second thing is that this is a non-PoE switch. In other words, it will not output any power to power up cameras or voice over IP phones, things like that. The third thing is this is an unmanaged switch, which means it doesn't have an interface for you to log in and do any type of port configuration, back or maintenance, things like that. It's a simple, straightforward networking switch. If you guys have got any questions or comments, or you need some help setting up a network or with your equipment, please feel free to get in touch with us. We'll do our best to assist.